Just go with it then, huh? Okay. Hi everybody. I know what you're thinking. You're saying, okay, what's the story? You said that this was going to be about crossing a raging river in tropical Veracruz, Mexico. But from the looks of where you're at, you're saying, Mike, what's all the cold and snow? I decided to come up and visit friends and family here in Illinois. So I'm up here for a while through the winter. And today it's a balmy 3 degrees Fahrenheit, or for my international friends, minus 16 Celsius. Hey Ed, my neighbor. So let me tell you, you are going to be able to see these clips that I made a couple years ago about an adventure trip I went on. And I'm showing you this because I want to keep introducing you to the different adventures, the different places I visited, even when I'm not currently in Mexico. So obviously this did not just happen. This was a few years ago. In any case, let me set the stage for you. So I went down with a friend of mine from Veracruz City to southern Veracruz to visit his brother who lives there. Just so happened my friend's nephew, or his brother's son, who lives in London, was in Mexico visiting his dad. So there were the three of them plus me. One of the days I was down there, we decided we were going to go on this adventure hike back into the rural country. We had to cross through fields with horses and cows and go up and down ravines, and it's not a tourist thing at all. You got to know who owns these properties, private property, but my friend's brother lives down there and he knows these people, so we could do this. Anyway, there was a point, and you're going to see this in the clip, where we had to cross this river, this stream, with a strong current. And you'll see this in the video. And the son, his name is Bert, got stuck. And you're gonna see how we rescued it. This is raw clips. This is it really happened. And sorry, there's one of my neighbors is pulling out. Let me walk ahead. Okay, there we go. So, where was I? Oh yeah. So anyway, you're gonna see how we had to rescue him. Then, I'm gonna take you along with me when it was my turn to cross the river. Now the thing is, I was holding the camera, but I was also trying to cross the river, and so it's as if you're right with me. And you'll see that happening too. Now, after watching this, some of you are going to say, hey, you should have had a helmet on. Hey, you should have had a life vest on. Probably that's true, but we didn't, so deal with it. I don't want to hear any comments like, oh, you know, you guys are crazy, you guys are dangerous. Well, this is not on one of the tours that I host, at least not yet. And if it were to be, we would find a different way to cross the river. We would have helmets, we would have, you know, whatever safety equipment we needed. But it was just the four of us, and we were out doing our thing. Okay, last thing, and that is, if you watch to the end of the video, you're gonna see me jump off a 30-foot cliff, like 3 stories, into a pool. And there's a waterfall in the background. So if you want to see that, then just watch the whole thing through to the end. That's it. So I'm doing a little walk around the block here, get some exercise, and then I'm going to get inside before my feet freeze. Enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. We'll see ya. No, go upstream, because if you go straight across or go up? You gotta go up, Bert. Bert, you gotta go up. Yeah. Because if you go down, he can't catch you. This is kind of tricky. Oh! He's stuck. Rescue mission. Hang on! Okay, I'm not going that way. Okay, here I go. Just go with it then, huh? Okay. Just keep walking that way? What? Okay. Went from here. Okay. Whoa!
This is the pass of the downstream.
Oh my gosh! Whoa!
Almost when you go on the rapid, you just let go yourself, coasting, and it will get you to the other side.
Right.
It's never straight for you.
I was just looking at that hand that was sticking out from you. It's like, grab that hand. Whoa. All right, we all made it. Whoa. Whoa. That was interesting. Whoa, watch this rock right here, it's loose. This rock right here, don't step on it. Mac fell. He's okay. done yet? Woo! This is a very difficult waterfall, but you can jump it, but you got to be very, very precise. And if you look, as you're looking at the waterfall to the left, you have to jump just on the side of the waterfall, but you don't want to get into the whirlpool below. So you got to go to the left, jump in, and hopefully then, as you jump, you're going to go to the right, your right, our left, that way with the current. But if not, you get caught right under the waterfall and you just get washed around for a long time before maybe they spit you out, maybe not. It's doable, but we're not going to do it today. Number one, we don't have time, and number two, it's kind of dangerous. But it can be done, maybe another time. So instead, we're just going to eat potato chips. Yeah, that's safer.